Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the physical setup. Power, cables, and selected ports matter. Once done, open settings right arrow system right arrow sound or control panel right arrow sound on older systems. In the output list, pick the exact device name you want. This forces the OS to target it. Make sure volume sliders are not muted and that you see device activity. If no device appears, you'll move next into driver and configuration checks. Don't skip straight to reinstalling drivers yet. Now you address the software interface that lets sound travel. Drivers. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, and find your device. Once located, update the driver first. The OS may fetch a compatible version automatically. If update fails, uninstall the device and then select Scan for hardware changes to force redetection. This often fixes corrupted driver states. Also inspect properties for driver dates and error codes, so you know whether to download a specific driver from the finish by running the built-in audio troubleshooter. It can reset services and fix common misconfigurations. If issues persist, change ports or try a direct connection. USB hubs and front panel jacks can fail. Make a system restore to a date before the problem started when applicable, because software changes often cause audio loss. As a last practical test, boot a Linux Live USB or attach a USB audio adapter to determine whether the problem is hardware. If that isolates hardware failure, replace or repair the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.